Hey there everybody, I'm Chris at Wolfe Ridge Manufacturing. Got something new to show you here today. As you guys may know, we've been making these inverted skid steer splitters for a long time. We've been making these probably 5 years, 6 years, almost 6 years. And my uncle actually has the first one down in Arcadia, Wisconsin. He's still beating on it to this day. He really loves it for the really big rounds. Not having to mess around with a log lift. You just jump in the cab and split wood right from the cab, right from the comfort of the heated and cooled cab on the skid loader. We'll still offer the normal version, the heavy duty skid steer splitter for normal applications. And now we're also going to offer one that's made even better for you commercial firewood guys. Okay, what we did is we took the hydraulic cylinder off of our super high output commercial splitters and our high output commercial splitters. We took a push block off one of them as well and put a 12-way wedge on the end of it here. So you guys that are splitting wood all day, you know, box store machines or commercial splitters, you know how hard it is to move wood all day long. And I think this is really going to help you guys make firewood faster and easier. A whole lot less ibuprofen at the end of the day. Hey Ben, how's it going?
You know, breaking records.
Breaking records, huh? Getting them
14 today.
14.
Catching up.
Dang. Awesome. What do you think of that beast?
Gonna make some firewood.
Oh yeah. A lot of firewood. It's pretty sweet. I like that 12 way on there.
Yeah.
Works good. Ready to go to Paul Bunyan show?
Yeah.
Itching to get out of town?
I am.
I am too. Well guys, what'd you think? I think it does pretty well. I'm pretty impressed. I really like that, having that 12-way wedge on there. You know, that's going to work great for those 18 to 20 inch rounds where you can push it through that 12-way one time and have basically fireplace wood or, you know, indoor stove wood done, ready to go without having to pick up one single log. So that's great. I think we'll have this up on our website real soon, and that website is www.wolferidgemfg.com, where we'll have pricing and lead times, all kinds of other information, the weights, the, you know, shipping estimates. We also have a dealer page. We have 6 dealers now around the country, and so you can find out where to get one of these or order it direct from us. You can submit an order form online. You don't have to put in your credit card number or anything on the website, so no concern there. But thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button so you can keep seeing videos, what we're doing here at Wolfe Ridge and what new products we've got coming out. And I think this one's going to be a real good hit right away. This Magnum skid steer splitter, I think, is right up the alley for you guys in the commercial firewood market. Having that bigger push block, being able to run a 12-way wedge on there, I think it's really going to help save some time and you know, get more wood produced in a matter of no time, and without the bottle of ibuprofen at the end of the day. So anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.